So, we're finally here.
Yeah, look at the light on the ocean.
The sun is going down right in front of us.
This place looks even better at sunset.
I'm really glad we came.
Me too. Let's go inside and get ready for dinner.
This table is perfect.
Yeah, we're sitting near the water.
I like being outside at night.
Me too. The sound of the sea is everywhere around us.
What are you going to order?
Probably fish. It feels right here.
The beach looks so different at night.
Yeah, everything feels quieter here.
I like walking by the sea with you.
Same. It's nice to slow down.
Look above us, the stars.
We don't see this at home. Do you want to stop at the bar?
Yes, just one drink.
Let's sit next to the pool. I like this spot.
Me too. It's a good way to end the night here. I love this view.
The ocean looks so calm from here.
I don't want to stay inside.
Me neither. Let's sit by the window.
Later, I want to swim at the beach.
And maybe snorkel near the shore?
Yes, I really want to see the fish. The water feels great.
Let's go in near those rocks.
There are fish all around us.
Look under the water. It's so clear.
I don't see any turtles.
Maybe under the rocks.
I hope so. I really love sea turtles.
I'm tired but happy.
Me too. Let's get a drink at the bar.
Do you want to sit at the bar or outside?
Outside, near the water.
You know, I was thinking something.
What?
What if we changed rooms tonight?
Change rooms?
To the villa on the water.
The one with the pool?
Yes, just for one night.
That sounds amazing. Wow, this place is incredible.
We're right above the sea.
Look below us, the water. Let's go to the pool.
Right now?
Yes. This pool feels like part of the ocean. I love being in here.
After this, let's snorkel again.
Yesterday we didn't see the corals.
Or the turtles under the water.
Today is the day. I'm going to miss this place.
Me too, especially at this time of day.
The light on the sea is beautiful.
I'm glad we stayed here.
Tomorrow is our last day here.
Yeah, it's hard to leave this place by the sea.
I'll always remember the sea around us.
And the turtles, you loved watching them swim under us. I really did. I can still see them in the water.
But now, another adventure is waiting ahead of us.
The Rock Hotel, right? Built on the rocks.
Yes, far from the ocean and high above the desert.
From the sea to the rocks. Different places, same journey. Wow, this place is built over the rocks.
And look at the rooms inside the cliffs.
They're not on the ground like before. They're carved into the mountain.
The entrance is between those two rocks.
And the path goes up the hill and wraps around the cliff. This feels heavier than the ocean.
Yeah, less open, more vertical.
There's a bridge over the canyon.
And a pool below us inside the rock.
Everything is inside something here.
And the path goes through the mountain, not around it.
People walk in front of us, behind us, all around us.
This place never stops.
Excuse me, this balcony is only for photos.
He's standing between us.
And his camera is right in front of my face. I miss the silence by the sea.
Here, the silence is somewhere else.
This elevator goes into the mountain.
We're going down, below the hotel.
Did we stop?
Yeah, we're trapped between floors.
The wall is right next to my shoulder.
Oh, and your backpack is over my head.
Did you hear that? It came from behind the wall.
There's something moving inside the rock.
I don't like being inside a mountain.
Especially when there's something under our feet.
Whatever it is, it's below us.
Or maybe around us.
This isn't the lobby.
We're inside the rock, behind the hotel.
Did you see the ceiling? I didn't expect it to be like this. And look at the walls. They have everything.
This seems to be between two tunnels.
It's coming from the end of the hallway.
Or behind that door.
It's a water system under the hotel.
All the water flows through the rocks.
That noise came from below, not from behind. Can you feel the water? It's suddenly icy cold.
Yeah, and around us, the lights are failing.
Look at the surface. The reflection isn't moving like we are.
I heard something behind the pool.
On one side, they turned the music off. No one said anything.
I don't like this.
Between the dunes, the vehicle stopped on its own. In front of us, there's no road. Did you see the map?
Around us, it's way too quiet.
In the distance, those lights weren't there before.
There's something standing there.
Tell me this isn't part of the tour.
On the table, they left a plate we didn't order.
Next to us, the waiter called us by our name.
In front of us, they already poured the wine without asking. At the back of the room, someone is staring at us.
Between the tables, an extremely strange silence fell.
I feel that in this place, they know more about us than they should.
Celis, in the end, this trip changed us too.
Yes, Nic, and it left us with a story to remember.
Different places, the same journey.
Yes, although here the romance was different.
More intense, more challenging.
Behind us, the hotel remains flawless. Impressive.
Ahead, the memory of a unique experience and a place unlike any other.
A hotel designed to be unforgettable.
Prepositions of places.
Where things are in real life.
We use prepositions to talk about place and movement. Usamos preposiciones para hablar de lugar y movimiento.
Position on a surface. Where are they? Where is it? On the edge of. On the floor. On the road. Estas preposiciones nos dicen dónde está algo sobre una superficie.
Inside, outside. In, inside, into, outside. Estas preposiciones nos dicen si algo está fuera o dentro.
Vertical position. Above, below, under, over, against. Estas preposiciones nos dicen si algo está arriba o abajo.
Around and movement. Around, along, through, across, up, down.
Estas preposiciones nos dicen cómo y por dónde se mueve alguien.
Distance and relation. Near, next to, beside, by, far from, to.
Estas preposiciones nos dicen qué tan cerca o lejos está algo.
Between and groups. Between, among, in the middle of. Estas preposiciones nos dicen dónde está algo dentro de un grupo.
Direction and position. In front of, behind, ahead of, across from.
Estas preposiciones nos dicen dónde está algo en relación a otra cosa.
Specific reference points. At, for example, at the bar, at the entrance, at the restaurant.
Estas preposiciones nos dicen el lugar exacto.
Perspective. From here, from the balcony, behind us, around us, with us.
Estas preposiciones nos dicen desde dónde vemos y con quién estamos.
All these prepositions help us describe place, position, and movement. See you in the next class. Bye.
Subscribe to learn more English with us.
Like this video. Bye!